Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul from Tuesday morning. A lot of our trucks are coming in late, they said this week, but I did manage to find something at one of the stores. This is the Celebration line. It's been out for the last couple of weeks, but they just put the enamel dots out with it, and it was $1.99, 215-1722. So they're triangles and stars, and I have a lot of the Celebration line from when it came out last year, or the year before last. This is the Love Lemon fabric tags for $1.49, 212-9657. So it's a pack of 12 and 10-inch twine. So you can stamp on that. And they had the stretch cord, 8mm, 5 meters total, and it was $1.19, 212-9813. These are out last week too. The homemade with love treat bags. They were $1.99, 209-4591, 12 pack. So you can stamp, emboss, do different things like that on it. I got these. The Little Birdie line was out. A lot of their flowers, which you should probably see in my Tuesday morning video or on Instagram. This is 4x6 cards, 24 designs. 24 sheets. And it is 210-3838, and it's things like two hearts become one, love forever, where love is there's life, just different little things, 4x6 that you can use and decorate. These are some of those Little Birdie flowers, and I should have got some of the ones that were in the box with the glitter on them. I meant to get those. Somehow I put them back and I didn't go back and get them. I put them down when I was videotaping. 210-3819. These are Zoe washed flowers. Doesn't say how many. And I think I got 2 packs of these. These are the little handmade little flowers for $1.99. Calypso flowers, 210-3828. And yes, I can make those. Yes, that's the second pack. But sometimes you just want a quick. They had this 12x12 purple paper called Purple Passion by Little Birdie for $1.49. Didn't need it, but hey, I thought I would get that to my sister. It comes with journaling cards, pre-punched doilies, and fussy cut sheet for $12.99. So this is the fussy cut sheet. Let's look at it real quick, even though we saw it on the outside. It's for $1.49, and it's purple. Oh wow! It feels good. Like it's a nice weight. So that's the fussy cut. That's the doilies. That's the cover. So we got the butterflies, ferns, they're one-sided, but who cares for $1.49? It's a nice cardstock, almost it's got a sheen to it on the back. Cardstock. So it's all floral, lavender. And you can make some cards out of it. Again, your fussy cut and your doilies. So, yeah. So somebody, especially somebody trying to start out, you might want to look for the Little Birdie line. I don't know if it's only going to come in the purple before $1.49, and the number is 210-3875. Cannot beat that for $1.49. 12 pages. So I did pick up a couple of the Spellbinder Celebrations by Richard Garai. This is a happy birthday for $4.99, 215-1713. I like these for Project Life cards. This one's Eat Cake, 215-1710. And that centerpiece can be done, these are separate elements, so they don't have to be with that. You could add it to a separate card if you like. And the Spellbinder's number